Happy morning all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home. We had started a chapter that is knowing our earth. Okay, so today we will discuss new topics. But before that, I would like to call some of the teachers with me, Anita ma'am and Gina ma'am. Please come. Gina ma'am. Okay.
Hello students.
So now I will ask questions to them and they will tell me the answer. Anita ma'am, where is the blackboard?
Front side.
Okay. And Gina ma'am, where is the board?
Back side.
Okay. Thank you ma'am. So now what did you saw? You saw that both the teachers gave different answers. Board is over here only, but still the answer was different. One teacher said it is at the back side. One teacher said it is in the front side. Why? Because their positions were different. Okay, so in such situations, we need the help of directions. What is it? Directions. जब कोई भी चीज किसी जगह है, we should know where it is, irrespective of wherever we are standing. The answer should be same, isn't it, children? So we take the help of directions. Now I will teach you what is directions and how did Neeraj and her teacher discussed about it. So let's find out. Okay students, so let's see. Neeraj, ma'am, how should we see the places on the map? Now Neeraj also has the same kind of problem. Ma'am, the map is so huge, but how to see the places on the map? Let's see what ma'am is telling. It seems difficult to find a small place just like that. अब इतने बड़े मैप में कोई भी small place find करना is not easy, isn't it, children? Suppose I want to find a place in India. Okay, it seems difficult. Now what did Miss Soni say? It is simple with the help of directions. With the help of what? Directions. There are 4 main directions. Which are these? Let's see. They are north, south, east and west. What are these directions? There are 4 directions. North, south, east and west. Okay. So now look at the map of India. Okay, let's see. Suppose you want to know where Mumbai is. Okay, now we are trying to find out a place, a city in the map. Now we are taking the example of Mumbai. Now Mumbai lies in the west. Okay, so as we know Mumbai lies in the west, we will see in the west direction. West कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे. So you have find out, see. You must then look at the western part of India on the map and you will find Mumbai. Okay? Was it clear to you? What happens? We should know where the place is. Where is Mumbai? Mumbai is in the west. So you will face no difficulty in finding it in the map. Okay, in the same way, if Anita ma'am and Gina ma'am knew the directions, then the answer must be same. कि बोर्ड कहाँ है? नॉर्थ साइड में. तो चाहे आप फ्रंट में खड़े हो या बैक में, the answer will be same. That is north side. Is the directions clear to all of you? There are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. Okay, let's move on to the next. Now look at the map of the world. Tell me the color you see the most. Okay, so you also look at the map and tell me which color do you see the most? What is it? It is blue. Yes. Miss Soni, very intelligent. The blue color shows water. What does the blue color show? Water. Okay. See, there is water. The very large water bodies are called oceans. Now, in this huge map, there is many area of water. So, the larger areas where water is covered is known as oceans. Okay, and the smaller water bodies, छोटे-छोटे जो water bodies हैं, उन्हें हम बोलेंगे seas. What is it? Seas. Rivers and lakes. Smaller ones are seas, rivers and lakes, and the larger ones are oceans. Okay, look at it carefully. Now, how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. Which are these? They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, okay, the Pacific, Atlantic Ocean, and which are the other ones? Let's see. The Indian Ocean, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Okay, 5 oceans are there. Okay, which were they? I'll repeat them. Which were the oceans? They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and which is the one more left? Which is that? That is Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so these are the oceans. Now, amongst these 5 oceans, let's see which is the largest one. The Pacific Ocean is the largest one, okay, and the deepest water body on the earth. Now, on the entire earth, which is the largest one? Pacific Ocean. Okay. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Okay, which is the smallest one? Arctic Ocean. Okay, Miss Soni. Okay, for now, today we studied oceans and directions. Okay, 2 topics we covered. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will discuss the worksheet part. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now we will discuss the worksheets and you have to write the questions as well as answers in the notebook. Okay, so the first one. Give one word answer for the following. So the answer is of one word, but you have to copy the question as well as answer. First one, Book of Maps. We have studied about it. What is it known as? I won't tell you. Blue color in the map shows dash. Just now we discussed. What does it tell? Third one, it is simple to find places with the help of dash. What is it? What do you need to find places? You know it. Okay, the next one. Question 2. Answer the following. Which is the largest water body on the earth? So, we studied the water bodies. You know the answer? Okay. Second, How many oceans are there? Name them. This also we studied. There are how many oceans? And the name of them. Okay. So now I hope the worksheet is easy and the topic is clear to all of you. We will meet in the next class and continue the chapter. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.